Ba't mo ko binibidyohan?
Sorry.
Ano ba yun?
Ayun, gamitin mo yan, girl.
Lagi baka sabihan ako magnanakaw dito. Baka sabihan ako magnanakaw dito.
Bong.
Dapat yan sana si Manny Pacquiao.
Dapat.
Hi guys, hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi. Hi kayo.
Dito, ito yung move mo. So, isang ganyan. Isang move siya na ganyan. Pero kapag ito, dark mark, ito yung kukunin mo. Kukuha kayo ng dark tech. 6, 7. Go na, Troy.
So paano kapag move mo? Hindi ako
Pangit naman,
makakagalaw.
hindi ako makakagalaw.
Saan ba si Troy? Corners lang.
Oo.
Ito.
Pero pwede pa rin magtanong total na dyan pa naman rin ako yung bawal.
Oo.
Pwede ko
Kanina ko
mo.
ba tinitignan? Kinuha niyo. Say hi to my IG story.
Nagulat
Sa close friends ko.
Siya na muna. Gryffindor. Gryffindor sa akin. Si McGonagall. 5 points for sheer dumb luck.
Ano?
That's something you would say.
Yeah.
Yung babae ata nagsabi nito eh.
Ang babae.
Sino ba yun?
Yung babae.
Sino ba yun? Yung ano? Ano yan?
Which one? Hermione.
Si Hermione.
Sinabi niya yung Leviosa ganun.
Oh, si Hermione. Hermione nga. Wingardium Leviosa. It's Leviosa,
Ayun.
not Leviosa.
Ayun yung quote.
Sa akin, it's my house, Ravenclaw.
Masarap naman yun sa matatagal.
Baka may papaitan nga po.
Alam ko na.
Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Yeah, girl, we got it going on. Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Don't it feel so good to be us? Yeah, we got it going on.
So, ang nanalo sa ating game si Jella. Nakabuksan na na. Aloha mora mo na yan. Aloha.
Dito pinto.
Pwede na. Ay. Ah? Yeah! Woo! Yay!
Brute force.
Grabe, di man lang ginunting. Yay! Isa na lang.
Parang bumabawi sa akin ng universe. Ginawa ko to sa kaibigan ko dati.
Tapos hollow block.
Oh my God!
Yay!
Sarili na akong helicopter. Pinag-usapan. Naka-record pala. Kumakain isa. Six, seven.
Parang umiilaw siya dyan. Alam niyo yung sa Super Bowl? Yung Super Bowl?
Super Balls.
Big balls.
Diba?
Can I put my balls
In your jaws,
Balls
in your jaws.
If I can prove that I never
That's
touched my
your balls
balls.
to the top. I want a winter's ball.
Kasi iba kasi ako para hindi nakapuno.
Tama.
Poor kasi. Poor shit.
Makakancel ba tayo nito?
Ako lang.
Kung yung ilaw yung figure. Okay na. Okay. Who's gonna be Burr?
Burr?
Burr. Sir.
6'7".
6'7".
6'7". 6'7". 6'7".
6'7".
Ay, wow.
Parang iba ata yan ah.
Nag-6 sila 7.
Oo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Ano gawa nyo?
Secret.
Bakit?
Ang init eh.
Sino mo busy yun?
Uy, tapon ka pa. Kagi ko.
Sinayang oh. Sino yan? Sino yan?
Nilaan mo nun.
Ay, ang ganda.
Yung iba dun no? Busy dun sa butter beer yun no? Ito oh, ang ginagawa.
Go. Queen. Blink.
Okay naman.
Pa naman ako. Hey, hey, ooh, hey, hey, hey.
Boy, you got me helpless. Look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm
Helpless.
down for the count and I'm
Drowning in them.
trying to grab the spotlight. We were at a raffle with some rebels on a hot night, laughing at my sister as she's dazzling the room. And you walked in and my heart went boom. Trying to get your eyes from the side of the ballroom. Everybody's dancing and the band stopped falling.
Ride to the rhythm as we wine and dine.
Grab my sister, you whisper, you're this one's mine.
Ooh, you
I get nervous thinking what you gonna
do.
do. I'm through, and you came back at me and suddenly I'm helpless.
Tita ka kasi. Kabisado yung satisfied. That's
Ako.
kabisado.
Konti lang. Gulo na ng buhay.
Drowning in them.
Napakagulo na ng buhay ko.
Change your life.
To Azkaban.
Nag-mix na yung, nag-mix guys. Nag-mix. Thank you for all the service.
Bilyar.
Kita talaga.
1 week.
Nag-lock in. Nag-lock in.
I'm just saying, if you really love me, you would share.
Ha! 2 weeks later,
In
I'm
the living room stressing.
stressing.
Her father stone-faced while you ask me for his blessing. I'm dying inside as you whine and dine. Guess there's nothing that your mind can't do. My father makes his way across the room to you. I panic for a second thinking we're through. But then he shakes his hand and says, be true.
Me is smiling and...
Hindi ka naabot yan? Kaya mo na yan, Eliza? Ikaw naman yung
Kaya nga
baliw
ako,
na baliw.
dinadub ka. Dinadub ka na. Hindi ka abot yung voice.
Yun na lang. You smile, then boy, you smile. Helpless. Akala ko, caution to. Ano pala sunod?
It's a
Oh,
fashion.
that's our ones. Alam mo, habang
A
hindi pa
couple
tayo
fashion.
gumagawa ng exam mo, gawa na tayong butter.
Butter beer?
Oo.
Paano ko habang nagkahalo ka, biglang, okay,
Okay lang.
stop. Pwede ka dyan.
Tara. Hindi, place in Harlem.
Figure it out,
Been living without a family since
I was a child. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, lagyan nyo ng name eh.
body never feels so.
Alagyan. Kahit kalati lang ang basa.
Kaya mo, kaya mo.
My life is only fine cause the lies is in it.
I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit.
Oh, I'm doing the stupid hand thing again.
Huh?
I'm doing the thing again. I keep doing that in all my videos. For some reason, I don't know why. In your world, you can be a new man.
Na-addict na akong hawak ko to.
Oo nga eh,
Kasi
parang di mo na.
naisip ko kasi, ganito, ganyan na. Ini-imagine ko tayo yung naglalakad daw, gumaganyan-ganyan ako, bigla may lumalabas na.
That's-
Tapos what if bigla incendio? So
Tulakin mo ko. Sino kaya? Sino mananalo? Okay. Are you ready? Okay, players. Are you ready? Okay, una. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so nakaganan kayo. Dapat,
Jigsaw ano to, jigsaw?
dapat mabilis kayong, dapat sabay-sabay kayong tatayo. Okay, so masaya lang to. Wala namang mananalo, matatalo dito.
Ikaw,
Gusto ka lang.
Ikaw,
Natutuwa lang ako sa...
Dapat kasama ka rin eh. I-record mo.
I-record ko lang kayo.
Hihilahin ko pantalon mo pag tayo.
Okay, ready na kayo? Gusto niyo usog ko yung table?
Okay na yan.
Okay na yan?
Ano okay na yan? Ako kawawa.
Kaya gawin sa akin.
Kawawa.
Ayaw.
Wala na yan. Okay, okay. Ready? Okay, ang masaya lang dito, naka-video kayo. Pero dahan-dahan guys, mamasaktan yung arms nyo. Okay.
Countdown tayo ah. 3,
Okay.
2,
So okay, lahat kayo magli-lead. Iikot si Jay muna. Tapos sasabihin,
isa-isa.
wag na. Ay, isa lang.
Ano, nakaganon yung isa. Ang sige, tayo na yung isa.
Okay,
Nahihirapan mo yung laro, kuya.
okay, sabay kayo ah. Okay, kayo bahala kung sino magsasabi. Ako ba? 3, 2, 1, go! Ito na lang, hindi na ka. Ready na kayo? Dito tayo. Ready na? Ready
I
na?
got the golden snitch.
Oy, baliktad ka, Mary. Baliktad ka. Baliktad kayo. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, bilis to! Tapos babalik kayo.
Balik. Sabi.
Ay, akin na. Ako mag-i-Mary.
Gay.
Manalo na kami ba? Bagal. Ano kami? Let's go!
With the poor. Ayun, no?
Take Philip Schuyler, the man is loaded. Uh-oh, but little does he know that his daughter's
Angelica. Bakit ako tinatawag?
Ikaw agad.
Hindi ako anak ni Philip Schuyler. Hindi ako si Angela Schuyler.
Angela Schuyler.
Angelica, pag-iingay sa work. They said not to go downtown, like I said you're free to go. The revolution's
Happening in New York, New York.
Gawa na tayo ng batubi.
Wala ka
Hindi
na.
naman ako marunong mag-open ng stove.
Magsa-stove pa tayo?
Of course. I need to melt the caramel.
Looking for
Meron ko ano.
work.
Ay, wala tayong ice. Sayang natin guys.
nothing like summer in the city. Someone in a rush next to someone looking pretty. Excuse me, miss, I know it's not funny, but your perfume smells like your daddy's got money. Why are you slumming in the seat in your fancy heels? You searching for a merchant who can give you ideas? Ah, so you've discussed me. I'm a trust fund. Baby, you can trust me.
Common sense, but sounds pain. So men
Say that I'm intense or I'm insane. You want a revolution, I want a revelation. Listen to my declaration. And when I'm with Thomas Jefferson, compel him to include women in the sequel.
I'm not cute anymore.